kadi break up jong kidi ki positive cases hapo ka COVID-19 status jong po Meghalaya ka jongi. Arspa lai pun reungut kidi na po SKC Hills. Ki BSF gilong personal gilong sispa propo arngut. Ki Air Force gilong R. Ki Wei gilong Sanfu R. Hariboy ngidon R ngut. Ha East Jante Hills ngidon arngut. Ha West Garo Hills ngidon Kendai ngut. Ha South Garo Hills ngidon arngut. Ha East Garo Hills iway. North Garo Hills iway. But kibla jam hadu menta ki long sapun reungut. Kini gide ki break up jong ka COVID-19 status po ka Meghalaya ka jungi. Menta ka sgi ki bangi yo ka kilong sipongut o khadargut baro. Menta ka sgi boyo the new cases which is reported today. There are 12 active positive cases today only.
We have a total of 13 patients in Negrim. 13.
Of the total cases that we have, the high-risk cases or high-risk contacts, as we call them, are 111 total. And low-risk contacts are 121. Okay? 21. So regarding the high-risk contacts, the contact has happened at different period of time. So one batch of testing has been carried out. So far we have 53 people for whom we have sampled. The swab we have done, of which, 30 people we have done the sampling, and the rest sampling has been done today. So that report is not available with me. Out of the 30, 24 contacts are negative and 6 contacts are positive. Of the 6 contacts, 2 are patients from the same ward where the contact has happened, and 4 are attendants who were there in the same ward. Yeah, we have one sister who is working in the CTVS ICU. Mind you, it is CTVS ICU. It is not the same ward where this contact has happened. Okay, it has happened in a different area, and so far she has not worked in the COVID area. Okay, and we have no history of any contact by this nurse to any COVID patient in our hospital. Okay, that is the data as far as she is concerned. So we have only one healthcare worker from Negrims so far who has come positive